Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on a sense of me at the High Court. I want the court, it's like a straight. Because I'm just like, when is it gonna stop? Like I always say, it needs to stop at some stage. Because Uprekati can ninda. Ocean the straight, or accused number 3, umthobisi Mncube ukuthi lo muntu into ayicabangela yona ekhanda lakhe. That's what he said. I was just like, wow, guys. He fabricated everything, manufactured and cooked. He just made up stories, ngabantu ababona ama gold tooth and umuntu ambonayo emhlophe at some stage waye brown, or like how umnisi will say, or waye dark, like ngibona leyo nto le. Honestly, there's nothing like that. I don't know what this Kinenda talking about. Umthobisi Mncube is very clear about his stuff now. Usually, you know what? I'm gonna take a stand and I'm going to talk my heart out. I don't care who thinks what about me. I'm pushing to I must say he's just taking his time. And this is not the first time, guys, where we hear Uguti Umnisi. Actually, the whole of the defense has actually mentioned before that they want Longotwala to come. Ushukuvela mfihla ngithi it's either uzomisa ku rehab and waphahluka advocate Ronnie Sibanda wathi no akazange zakusho ukuthi usa rehab or something like that. I was just like, wow, guys, what uratha usho ba? Guys, I was like, kuthini manje uSibanda ngempela? Umnisi was just like, you know what, state must just bring Longotwala, just as much as Ronnie Sibanda was busy now with Umnisi 18. No, when I actually bringing backdoor evidence again, that evidence we never agreed on about Longotwala. Or are you even saying, and Urat, I know he never gives Umnisi a chance to speak and say what he's trying to convey, or a message that he's trying to tell that court. He misunderstood Umnisi for the longest time around Lentoga Longotwala and another information it's not actually on record. Umnisi was just like, no, actually it can be on record now. What's hard? Man, it can be on record. It's not a problem. In fact, backdoor, but izobhalwa and be on record. Just as much as they've always made Ntoga Longotwala seem very tricky, because I've always said every time makufanele ukuthi as a court uLongotwala uzwa ku rehab ubaba kuzovela mbophise, or amthathe athi no, he's in rehab, do you want to speak to him, he's in like, when is he gonna come to court? Because my thing is that everyone knows in the house, guys, must just come to court. 375 has been loading, but I'm just like, uzo loader until when? You know, when are people gonna come and tell us exactly what happened on that day at the Kumalo house? And you know how it's gonna be. They're gonna drag around Ulongo coming to court, guys. And Umnisi is just like, I don't care, I'm gonna push it. Uthi ngizocela state Umnisi, that's how he's talking to them, to bring this guy to court. Cause like, honestly, guys,
I'm just wondering, how could I have marked them in this fashion when they've not been admitted as exhibit, my lord? However, that is not a trend smash. I will redo the process again, my lord. So, and then request that after I've done that, then they be handed in. I request that they be admitted as exhibits before court.
But that's not the complaint. The complaint is that statement,
yes,
is not evidence before court. Am I correctly quoting you, sir?
That is correct, my lord.
Yeah, that's what I understand, Mr.
Hence,
Baloyi. I mean, Sibanda, complaining
yes,
about that you are referring to your client's statement which is not before court.
my lord, hence I am saying that the statements that I have of Mr. Longwe, I've got 3 statements which are marked exhibit WWW1 in brackets. The second one is
WW1, right?
Exhibit WWW2 in brackets, and exhibit WWW3 in brackets. So
Okay.
I am saying, I am wondering, how could I have marked this statement in that fashion if they've not been admitted as exhibits, my lord?
Okay.
Which is the reason why then, when I wanted to deal with them yesterday, immediately it dawned to me that, or it appeared to me that by virtue of them having marked the way in which I've just explained, they've already been admitted as exhibits, my lord. However, if what the state is putting forward, that same have not as yet been admitted as exhibit, my lord, I will redo the process, my lord, because the complaint is I cannot be referring a witness to a statement that has not yet been part of the record, man. I will redo the process. There's no problem about that, man, because Mr. Mnube is still under oath. I am still leading him.
Yes.
Umshushiso wayekhalaza ke madoda ngokuthi ummeli umnumzana Mnisi ucaphune kwi-statement zikaMnumzane Longwe. Kodwa ke uthi babhekile irecord labo bathola ukuthi i-statement lezi kaMnumzane Longwe azikaze zemukelwe njengobufakazi phambi kwenkantolo. Ngakho ngokuya ngenkambiso yokukhulunywa kwamacala akakwazi ukucaphuna kulezo statement uma ebuza ufakazi wakhe ufakazayo manje. Uyaphendula ke umnumzana uMnisi ongummeli uthi uma kazwa ukuthi i-statement lesi kune-statement ezithi azibe yintathu zikaMnumzane Longwe zinikezwe inombolo zobufakazi u-WW1 in brackets no WW2 in brackets no WW3 in brackets ukuthi zinganikezwa kanjani inombolo zokuba ubufakazi phambi kwenkantolo. Uthi kodwa-ke nanoma kunjalo kakuyona inkinga uzophinda aqale phansi-ke macuna nale statement enze ngokwendlela yakhona kufanele enze ngayo ngoba ufakazi wakhe usekhona usesebhokisini.
Longwe usasekhona. Mr. Silanyoni, are you saying usasekhona? Ubani usasekhona ebhokisini?
My lord, the last time I checked, he was in an institution, my lord. So I don't know if he's available.
No, but your contention is there is no evidence relating to Longwe regarding a statement which has been handed up.
That is correct, my lord. And then I also checked again, my lord, at the conclusion of Mr. Advocate Munisi's cross-examination on page 36 of the 21st of July 2023, there is no way where he signaled his intention to have those statements marked exhibit WW1, 2, and 3, my lord.
Sorry, I'm sorry. So that citation of exhibit statement 1, 2, and 3 was never led in this court.
No, my lord.
Never, ever.
The
So
only
Mr. Mnisi, when he
portions,
says he's going to do it, it will be starting to lead it, but it has never been done before in this court.
only, my lord, our conditions, only portions of the statement were read to Ms. Zandile Kumalo, my lord.
Right?
Yes. And such statements were never.
Portions of a longer statement were
That
read
is correct, my lord.
to Zandile.
That's correct.
Okay, fine.
So if I understand my colleague, Advocate Munisi, when he says he's going to redo the process again, my lord, it means the evidence is provisionally admitted on condition that Longwe Twala is called as a witness for accused number 3, my lord. That would be proper.
Yes, Mr. Mnisi, what's your response?
As it pleases the court, my lord, I appreciate that invitation from the state on their last statement, that if I am going to use the statement, then I must make an application that the statement must be provisionally handed in pending the calling of Mr. Longwe Twala. I've got no problem, my lord. The reason why I'm saying I appreciate that, we are going to request the
on
very
condition
same
also that-
state.
Sorry, fine, no problem.
We are going to request the very same state to make available Longwe to us, my lord, Bravi Manu. We are going to request them to assist us to get Longwe Twala. We interview him and he gets called as a witness here. They can just start to prepare for that eventuality, my lord. I hear my colleague is saying the last time he had somebody was in the institution, I don't know who he's talking about, but that is what I will be doing, my lord. henceforth.
Talking about Longwe, if I remember.
I don't know anything, my lord, about that, but we'll see.
Yeah, okay, fine, let's continue. But in any case, it means Longwe's statements arising from, Longwe's evidence arising from his statement is not before court. Can we agree on that or disagree?
It is not before court.
Yeah, so Longwe's evidence encapsulated in his statement is
Yes.
not before court.
Yes.
Mr. Doctor, is that what you
That is
want
correct,
the court to note?
That is correct, my lord.
Right, fine. Okay, let's continue then.
ya indaba isekutheni ke kafushane ke madoda umshushisi uthi ke ubufakazi obuseyitatimendeni bukalonga ethwala abethulwanga phambi kwenkantolo ngeyitatimende. Uma ke ummeli ethanda ukucaphuna kubona kuzomele ke acaphune kodwa ke ngaphansi kombandela ukuthi uzombiza ulonga ethwala ezazofakaza shothi kuzokwamukela kwesikhashana lokweyitatimende. Uthi ke ummeli umephendula anginankinga ukuthi ngimbize ulonga ethwala kodwa ke sizocela yena umshushisi abegunya lezokushushisa ukuthi basisize ukumbiza bangacala manje ukuzilungiselela ukuthi ke bazosibizela yena uma sesimdinga. Ilapho ke indaba.
As it is the court, my lord, just to correct one misconception, it is not correct to say that longer statement is evidence is entirely not before court, my lord, because the state has just indicated that I referred to certain portions of longer statement in the cross-examination of Zandile Twala, and that was never objected to, my lord. I mean, of Zandile Khumalo, and that was never objected to. It is therefore not entirely correct that longest statement or longest evidence is not on record, because part of what I referred to when I cross-examined Ms. Khumalo is what I extracted from longest Twala statement, my lord. So part of which it forms part of the record.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
Kakulona iqiniso liphelele ukuthi ke istatement sonke ngokuphelele sika Longwe azikho phambi kwenkantolo azithulwanga zithuliwe ngendlela yokuthi kucashunwe ingxenye esithize uma kubuzwa uZandile Khumalo imibuzo ngummeli. So lezo ngxenye zikhona phambi kwenkantolo ezivezwe ngokuthi uma ebuzwa imibuzo kucashunwe kuzo. Inkantolo ithi kulungile